This Timothy Toye and Associates property video is presented by Timothy Toye. The little home on the canal, total brand new remodeled top to bottom, gives you a delightful home on a waterfront channel in the Keys. Great room living with vaulted tongue and groove wood ceilings, opens out through 2 sliding glass doors onto full-width low-maintenance deck to entertain or hang out, including alfresco dining overlooking the water. New cabinet doors, new appliances and granite countertops with breakfast bar finish out the kitchen. There's a new pellet stove for coziness in the winter and a new mini split for efficient heating and cooling, as well as ceiling fans. 2 decent-sized bedrooms, one with its own private bath. Separate laundry room. All new flooring with handsome high-end laminate in the living area. Parking for 2 vehicles. New roof, and new paint inside and out. Buffer lot on one side owned by the neighbor. Concrete steps down to the water's edge where you might install a dock.